The screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay.
Good afternoon.
In today's class, we'll discuss about the order Siluriforms. That means they are commonly called as catfishes. Catfishes are those fishes that have the presence of barbels. Probably in practical classes, I have shown you some fishes with barbels. They have the large barbels. Some, if it is present in maxilla, then it is called as maxillary barbel. If it is present in lower jaw, then there are so many barbels. If it is present, screen is visible, na? Sorry. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. So internet issue is there. If it is present on mandible, then it is called as mandibular barbel. If it is present on chin, then it is called a chin barbel. So different presence of
सर स्क्रीन विजुअल नहीं हो रहा है।
screen तो
हो रहा है सर।
हो रहा है ना? I've already shared now. Okay. So no, I have not changed the slide.
sir. नहीं हो रहा।
I have not changed the slide. It's the first slide. Okay, okay. That's why you are telling. Okay. So according to the presence of the where it is present, according to that, we'll named as different barbels. It is one of the largest order of teleost, containing around 4,100 species. Among that, in India, around 230 species are there. They are generally freshwater, some are brackish water, and some, the two family that is called as Aridae and Plotosidae, they are the marine families. They are named catfishes because the presence of the barbel, which are located on nose. If it is present on nose, that is nose means they, in fishes there is no nose, there are nostrils. Okay, then it is called as nasal barbel. If it is side the mouth, then it is maxillary or mandibular, and if it is on the chin, then it is called as chin barbel. They are highly diverse and distributed worldwide. Around 230 species are present in Indian waters. So the body is, what are the main characteristics? Generally, catfishes are scaleless. They have no scales. See, these arrows containing, and here the colors, probably this is different color I have given. Those color, there is green and green, you have to check. Okay, all those points I have also diagrammatic also I have indicated. Okay, body cylindrical, either naked or covered with bony plates. Generally body are naked, normally up to 4 pairs of barbels, maximum 4 pairs. Okay, subopercular bones are absent, preopercle reduced, adipose, the main one of the another main character is the presence of adipose, or it is called as adipose dorsal fin. We have already shown what is adipose fin. Pectorals and dorsal fins are supported by spinous ray. In dorsal and pectoral, there are spines are there. So the catching of any live catfish is difficult. You have to be skilled enough. Otherwise, the spine, it is inside in our hand, it will pain. Okay. Maxilla are toothless and rudimentary, supporting a barbel. Principal caudal fin rays, that means caudal fin rays are 18 or lower. Okay, 18 means both side, 9 and 9, total 18. Air breathing, another character is the presence of air breathing organs. In some family, Claridae and Heteropneusteridae, some air breathing organ is there. What is the function of air breathing organ? Without water, they can leave the presence of the air breathing organs. There are total 39 families, and among that, Around 15 families are found in Indian or Asian waters. The first family is Eridae, that is purely marine. Sea catfishes. This is distributed Indian Ocean and Western Pacific. They are chiefly marine. Occasionally, they are freshwater. Here, the character is the head portion here. The head portion is covered with bony plates. You can see very hard, rough structure in here. Head portion here. That is strong bony plates are there. In this family, there are presence of 3 pairs of barbels. In some species, 2 pair is there, but generally 3 pairs. A serrated spine in both pectoral and in maximum catfishes, serrated spine will be there in pectoral and dorsal fin. Around 24 species are found in India. All the marine catfish look almost similar. The identification of catfish is very much difficult. Some families, the identification is very difficult. Some barbs. Please remember the identification of barbs. Then the family Eridae. Another one family is there, Cyanidae. Their identification is very much difficult. See, first 5 fishes, they look entirely similar. Okay. Their identification is very much difficult. Clear? Only this fish, previously all are Arias, species was Arias. Now it is changed. Previously it was Arias ciliata. Now the genera is changed as Nemapteryx ciliata. Previously it was Arias thalassinus. Now the name changes Netiuma thalassina. This is the only species. Here you can identify very easily. That is called as soldier catfish. My voice is audible now? Okay. Soldier catfish. Why the name is called as soldier catfish? They have both sides. The maxillary barbel is very prominent and hard, osseous structure. Like soldier has the mustache, na? That's why they have the two clear both sides. The mustache is very clear and osseous. Single both sides. Other barbels are there, but this barbel is osseous and very prominent. This is called as Osteogeniosus militaris or soldier catfish. This is also Arias dusumeri, previous name. Now it is Plecopholis dusumeri, Plecopholis platystomus. Previously it was Arias sona. Now the came as Cyades sona. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All some specimens are there in our lab. When we will come, you can see it is how it is difficult. There here the identification, for identification we use the pattern of palatine teeth. Here the palatine teeth are there. By the shape of the palatine teeth, we identify these specimens. The second one is called as Bagridae. Bagridae, there are 4 pairs of. In Eridae, there are 3 pairs, but in Bagridae, there are 4 pairs. And another one is here the adipose fin is very large. Only in the species that is called as Rita, there is 3 pair of barbels. Otherwise, there are 4 pairs of barbels. Okay, long adipose fin and a short anal. It includes 19 genera and 23 species. In Bagridae also, the osseous bone, the head is osseous structure is there. Head depressed, covered by skin. Okay, serrated spine in both pectoral. In maximum catfishes, the dorsal and pectoral, first dorsal fin is.
Your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible. Probably some internet issue is there. Not today. Internet issue is very much persisting. That's why. Okay. See the examples. Whatever we call them. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
One species is there called as Tangra, or it is called this species is commonly available in market. That is called as Mr. species. Okay. This is available in Ganges. Only in Rita. There its body shape is. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only in Spherata.
One clear नहीं आ रही है सर. One minute. थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट दीजिए ना. डीके से आना है. One minute, wait. Again, I will join. हेलो. आपका क्लास चल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please mute your mic. This species, that is Rita, it is available in Ganges, and this species Spherata. In Spherata species, this maxillary barbel crosses the caudal fin. Okay, this is the characteristic of the species Spherata. These are all under the family Bagridae. So today we discussed Aridae and Bagridae. The third one is Chachidae, that is square head or angular catfish. See its head is totally broad and depressed. Okay, like some shark specimen, the depressed head. Here the heads are totally depressed. Like here the head is totally depressed and broad, and the hind part of the body is compressed, and its adipose fin continuous with caudal. The example is Chaka. It is called as devil catfish. It is also called as devil catfish. See its body totally depressed, broad and depressed. It is called as devil catfish. The fourth family is Claridae. It is available in our local market. The example is Magur, Clarias batrachus. Probably you have heard about this species. It is called as air-breathing catfishes. It has also 4 pairs of barbel and a long dorsal and long anal with rounded caudal. Its distribution is Africa, Syria, Southern and Western Asia, and its habitat is freshwater. Whether you have heard about this, seen this species, left side species? This is called as
Yes, sir.
this is Magur. Previously the name was Clarias batrachus, but now the name has changed as Clarias magur. The Clarias batrachus is called as Philippine catfish. Previously, it was called as Magur, Clarias batrachus, but now the name has changed. It is called as Clarias Magur. Another one is Horaglanis krishnai. It is called as Indian blind catfish. So this is the family is called as Claridae. The fifth family is Heteropneustidae. First, see the picture. Sorry. Have you seen this species?
Yes, sir. Singhi.
Singhi. Singhi and Magur, sometimes some doubts are there during identification. Singhi has short dorsal and Magur has long dorsal. Okay. In Singhi, the dorsal fin is very short. In case of Magur, the dorsal fin is very large. Okay. It has short dorsal with no leading spine, 4 pairs of barbels, a long air sac. This is the accessory respiratory organ, air sac. No adipose fin. The example is Heteropneustis fossilis. The sixth family is called as Pangasidae or shark catfish. It has 2 pairs of barbel. Claridae, Heteropneustidae has 4 pair, Bagridae has 4 pair, Aridae has 3 pair, and in Pangasidae it has 2 pairs. This species also you have seen. This is called as Pangas, Pangasius pangasius. This is available in local market. They have 2 pairs of barbels, body compressed and smooth with small adipose. Dorsal fin, it has also dorsal fin spine, 1 or 2, 5 to 7 soft rays, and a long anal fin. Its characteristics is presence of long anal fin. Okay. This is the last family today I will discuss. This is the family Plotosidae or eel-tail catfish. Its distribution is Indo-West Pacific and its habitat is freshwater and mainly in marine. Some species are there in freshwater. Mainly the Plotosidae is marine organism. Eel-like body. It is called as eel-tail catfish. Eel-like body, pointed or bluntly rounded tail. 4 pair. It has also 4 pairs of barbel. So only 2 pairs of barbel is under the family Pangasidae. 4 pairs of barbel. Its anal and it has 2 dorsal. It is called as second dorsal. In some species, the adipose is confluent with caudal, but here the second dorsal is confluent with caudal, and the species is Plotosus caneus and Plotosus limbatus. Okay. So today up to this I will discuss. I already discussed 7 family. Another 4, 5 family I will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. If any question is there, then please ask. Otherwise, I will end today's class. Okay. Thank you. I am ending today's class.